Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. So the build date is a 2 of 2001 Chrysler 300M. Door panel removal for replacing the inside door handle. This was broken. Get a little screwdriver and pop this door open, and there's probably a 7mm screw inside there. This is not going to go anywhere, but you got to take that out. And there's also a screw in here with a cover. All my screws. Pop the cover up also on there. See all the screws, Phillips screws. Screw. Not sure if I had to take this apart, but there's 2 screws here I took out. Also, there's a bracket. That one up here, I think it was interfering with getting the door panel off, so I took that off. 2 screws, Phillips screws. The grill panel pops off. The friction fit in here. Just get a little screwdriver or something and pop it out on the edges. Come out. I'm assuming this ring was probably glued on here. We could probably glue this back on. Get some spray adhesive or some RTV and put it back on there. Yours may or may not come off. Screw, maybe. Screw. 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 And there's the latch. You have to deal with this latch here when you lift the door panel off, and also this as well. Little tab catches on the latch, so you want to make sure that's not catching. You can get this off. So you won't be able to drop it down as easy because this is attached. You need to pop the little clip off and then it'll pull off. So I had to drill through. There's little plastic was just kind of melted in place. Like so. So we'll install our new one. Got to pull this out of here. I'm going to pull back on both sides. I suppose you could break it too because you're not going to reuse it probably. So I'm going to note that the green line is on the inside here, so when I put this in it'll be the same. I got my new one off Amazon. They don't make these anymore from Chrysler apparently, or at least it wasn't available readily. Here's the clip. You're just gonna push that off the lever. Like that. and then that just snaps. This is going to snap over the top when it's in place. Snap like that, just a friction fit. I might have to knock some old chunks out of these holes here, and then we'll get this pushed into place and secure it. Clips. Not exactly sure how they're going to work. I don't think these things go far enough through, but we'll get those holes drilled out and see what happens. Theoretically, we'll just be pushing these right down onto these to hold them on the door panel. Alright, so trying to get this thing to fit in there. We did get our drill out and ream these holes just a little bit. We used the drill to, this was just all melted plastic, but they're going to give us these little round clips you saw. So we just drilled these holes out to get the old one out. And I had to ream them out a little bit to get the new ones to go in, but now we have it up. We can probably hold it up there firmly, push the clips on here. Got a 10 millimeter deep socket I'm going to use to help push these on. Alright, I'm going to use an 11 millimeter. So it's like that. We'll just do the rest. We've got 2 on. We'll just do 2 more. And with 4 of those and a screw in the middle, that should be on pretty secure. See, there's a couple guide knobs too. Here's a knob. There's a knob and a push pin to fit here. And there's another push pin there. That's it. So we're ready to push this, slap this on. So we'll be lifting it up so we can get this snapped into place. Slid over this. All right. See what's going on there. Come on, focus. There we go. Just push in the hole. Let's flip this lever over. Clip. There we go. It's on. falls into place. It's over the piece of metal up here. It's good and free. I think we're in good shape here. Checking our holes. Just give it a push. Feels pretty good and flush. Start putting our screws in. That does have some fingers on the side, so it's a friction fit in and out besides the dumb screw in the middle there. One more screw down here. Wonder if I had two more. One down here and one in there. So you can use a small screwdriver or maybe a small pick. Get in here. That's how they both work. Might see a slight indentation to know what side to pry up on. And we'll put our screw in there. The color match isn't exactly perfect, but that's it there. All right, we'll glue this piece back on, put that panel on. Just little friction fit fingers are going to go in the holes. So maybe this goes in first at the bottom. So try and pry from the top and bring it down up here. So that is replacing the inside door handle for me. I didn't see another video with this door handle. Hope that's everything you need to do. Everything you need to know for your door handle. Chrysler 300M. And probably other models too. There's some slight variations. Compare the video. Compare this door panel with yours. So drilling out the plastic for that door handle on the Chrysler 300M, I used a 1/4 inch drill bit, but I think you can go even a little bit bigger, maybe a 5/16. So there you go on the size for drilling out yours if you need to.